Hi, I'm Simon and I'm a misfit. Come on a journey with me to see how we came to create such amazing sculptures and sculpted scenes like what you see here. So it all started, I came across these YouTube videos of somebody who was making sculptures using cement, and it made me see what was possible, and it really inspired me to give it a try. So my first sculpture was this, a butterfly sitting on a flower. I proudly finished it about 5 years ago. I had so much fun making my first sculpture that I went right ahead to make my second. Leonard, the lazy lizard, sitting peacefully on a rock right here. A bit smaller and more intricate, but just as much fun. We live here in the high jungle of Peru with 15 other people, and everybody was watching what I was doing and starting to imagine the possibilities for themselves. And this was really the start of when everybody here started making sculptures individually. The couple of years that followed was very much an experimentation phase. While everybody was enthusiastically sculpting, none of us really knew what we were doing, and the results varied in size and complexity. But each step along the way we were learning. And throughout this period, we were creating more and more amazing and beautiful works of art. Then a moment came. We realised that if we had all banded together and shared what we had learned individually, we'd be able to create far more impressive works of art together. And here collective art was born. First was La Mama, a huge 20-foot sculpture of a pregnant woman representing Mother Earth. Then we went on to create La Mente, representing the mind, a giant brain with sculpted scenes to the theme of conception. Then we went even bigger and made a 120-person amphitheater contained in a giant broken egg, with the narrow end representing birth and the wide end representing adolescence, with all of the sculptures created by novices under our guidance in the first ever Misfits Sculpting Extravaganza. Then we went even bigger and created Umbala, a huge playground, playable just like a board game, with dozens of sculptures and magical worlds created again during the Misfits Sculpting Extravaganza. Throughout our journey sculpting, we have realised that absolutely anybody can create amazing works of art like what you've seen in this video. Why don't you give it a try? Follow our instructional video series and discover what you're able to create. Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.